Hi everyone, I am Rohini and welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. Today we'll be painting this cute little fox here and I hope you will like it. Let's begin by looking at the art supplies that we require for this painting. I'm using watercolor tubes and watercolor half pans from Thoovi, and this one is their Breeze palette. I'm using watercolor paper that is hot pressed and of 300 GSM, 2 jars of water, some brushes, pencil, eraser, clean cloth, and you can have some tissues. Let's start with some light sketching before we start painting. Our sketch is ready. Now let's see what all colors we'll need. Let's start with the Indian yellow. This is a beautiful shade which comes from this Breeze palette. You can see the pigmentation. And I'm also using burnt sienna here. And this one is from their watercolor tubes. I'm using Indian yellow and it's a bit diluted. I'm trying to cover the whole area here. This is the second layer of Indian yellow that I'm using, and this one is more concentrated. Next I am using burnt sienna here, mostly on the edges to give that darker shade. It's time to add some details here with a smaller brush, and I'm using burnt sienna again. Keep adding some small lines to give that hairy effect. I'm using white gouache in the tail as I didn't leave some white space in the beginning itself. It's just to make the tail stand out little bit. It's time to use some black for the nose and for the eyes. We'll be painting some grass and some leaves, and for this I am taking yellow green and also some yellow ochre. Make some random strokes with the brush to give that grassy effect around the cute little fox. Let's paint some leaves with the yellow green. Keep repeating this step until we reach the first few sets of leaves. Let's use this beautiful shade, that is peacock blue, to paint some more leaves. Paint some small dots here and there with Indian yellow. And yes, we are done with the painting. I hope you like this painting. Do give it a try and follow Thoovi Art for more such tutorials. Thank you.